Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a peculiar problem that can arise while working in Delphi XE7 with the cn_pack installed. When you press ctrl+shift+B, an unexpected symbol appears on your screen. However, upon pressing the same key combination once more, this symbol mysteriously disappears. What could this mean? According to the Delphi documentation, pressing ctrl+shift+B should display the buffer list, but this symbol seems unrelated to that. So, what's really going on here? Solution: the Bookmarks plugin you have installed is the culprit behind this unique behavior. This plugin assigns the ctrl+shift+B shortcut to set a temporary caret marker on your code. By dropping a temporary caret bookmark using this command, you have a quick way to navigate back to that specific location. To restore the cursor to this set location, simply press Escape. This feature allows for swift and efficient code navigation within your projects. In summary, the unexpected appearance and disappearance of the symbol in Delphi XE7 are due to the Bookmarks plugin setting temporary caret markers on your code. This functionality enables quick navigation back to specific locations within your codebase. Remember, pressing ctrl+shift+B drops a temporary caret bookmark, and hitting Escape jumps you right back to it. We hope this insight helps enhance your coding experience. Until next time, happy coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a cheeky comment below.